Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you guys 4 questions and answers taken from the book of Proverbs chapter 3 verses 1 to 8 in a very easy and simple way. So make sure you watch it till the end without skipping. But before that, I just want to introduce you to a new channel that I and my friend have created, and also we have posted our new video there recently, so please go and check that out. I'll put the link in the description below. Please support us by subscribing and sharing it with your friends. And also, if you're new here, my name is Leche Koza and I come up with videos that will help you with your spiritual journey. So if that's something you need, consider subscribing and also press the bell icon so that you never miss any of my upcoming videos. Now let's start the video.
The 4 questions that we'll be answering are: what will prolong your life many years and bring you peace and prosperity? How can you win favor and a good name in the sight of God and men? How can you let God make your path straight? That is, how can you do something or achieve something without struggling much? What will bring health to your body and nourishment to your bones?
We'll be answering these questions one by one, and even if there are many more answers to these questions, we'll be answering them in this video purely according to the book of Proverbs 3, 1 to 8. Now let's answer the first question. What will prolong your life for many years and bring you peace and prosperity? We find the answer for this question in verses 1 and 2. Here it says,
My son, do not forget my teaching, but keep my commands in your heart, for they will prolong your life many years and bring you peace and prosperity.
So the answer is not forgetting his teachings and keeping his commands in your heart is gonna give you long life, is gonna prolong your life many years and bring you peace and prosperity. Now let's answer the second question. How can you win favor and a good name in the sight of God and men? The answer is,
let love and faithfulness never leave you. Bind them around your neck. Write them on the tablet of your heart. Then you will win favor and a good name in the sight of God and men.
Here we can clearly see that we must love and be faithful all the time in order to gain favor, in order to win favor and a good name, even in the sight of God and men. Now the third question is, how can you let God make your path straight? That is, how can you do something or achieve something without struggling much? Let's look at verses 5 and 6 for the answer.
Trust in the Lord with all your heart. Lean not on your own understanding. In all your ways submit to Him, and He will make your path straight.
So if you want to do something without struggling much, if you want to achieve something, if you want to achieve your goal, your dreams, or your ambitions, trusting God is the key. Trusting God with all your heart is very important. And do not depend on your own understanding. Never depend on your own wisdom and strength. Submit yourself completely to God. Submit all your plans to Him, and He will surely make your path straight. Now let's answer the last question, but not the least one. Question number 4. What will bring health to your body and nourishment to your bones? Now this one is a very important one, because even if you want to do something for the Lord, if your health is not in a good condition, you won't be able to do it. So staying healthy physically is as important as staying healthy spiritually, because both are interconnected and one directly affects the other. So what's gonna bring you good health to your body and nourishment to your bones? Let's take a look at verses 7 and 8.
Do not be wise in your own eyes. Fear the Lord and shun evil. This will bring health to your body and nourishment to your bones.
So the best way to stay healthy is to fear the Lord and shun evil. Stay away from evil. And what does it mean to fear the Lord? To fear the Lord means to honor Him. And never think you know enough, because you don't. We do not know enough. We need God's wisdom. So we should never depend on our own wisdom, and we should never be wise in our own eyes. But rather, we should depend on the wisdom of God. So by applying verse 7 in our lives, we will receive the blessing of verse 8, that is good health. So now let's review everything that we've learned till now. I hope that you've learned something through this video, and if you did, kindly share it with your friends and loved ones so that they will also learn something too. And also please be sure to subscribe so that you'll be there when I come up with another video. Also, kindly check out our new channel, that is Leche and Panlu. The link is given in the description below. Please go check out and support us by subscribing. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.